Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm with my cousin Ruth and we're going to be making cloud slime today.
No!
These.
These!
We got
Don't speak!
these. Reese. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
Cheese! Here!
Okay, chocolate. Okay, now we're gonna. What colour should we add?
Gray.
Grey.
Can I do it?
I need to be really quiet. Okay. I'll put in some. No, you do some.
Yeah.
No, you squeeze some.
Why is it not working? There!
So this is his first time, and we're also going to be adding some blue in there.
No.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Can I do it?
No, not yet. Hang
We
on.
need the yellow, green.
No, we'll do that in the next colour.
That's a lot of them.
Okay, ready? Can I mix? And now,
With sprinkles! Sprinkles right there!
so I think I got enough.
Just for...
Please. Go get mummy.
No.
So please.
Okay.
So I'm going to try now.
Hey, go!
I think I'm actually, instead of doing this little one here, I think I'm actually going to use the whole entire
Can I
bottle.
do? Can I see? Oh, can I do it?
No, don't just touch it.
Yes. It's...
And not yet. So we're going to add all of this glue. And I mean all of it.
Whoa, yeah. And what I had to do, we can mix the pins. Line up. It's time to Guinness. Shit. Whoa.
Got some snow. Don't touch it, Reese.
The presents.
Getting some more snow in there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Snow.
Stop. No. Okay, now I'm going to need that.
Tennis rackets for your birthday.
Oh my god, this is so weird.
Birthday.
This is really weird. It's like filming crystals in here. It's actually really weird. It is getting a bit sticky, yes, that's good. Whoa, this is really cool. Okay, I'm just gonna knead this for a bit and I'll be back. So in the end it came out really good. It's a lot more, less jiggly I would say, and more pokey. But as you know me, I want it to be really big, so I'm just going to add some more snow. Yeah. Yeah, more snow coming up. My buckets. It's all grainy because of the snow. I want to see what will happen if it will be the same if you add real snow. I don't think it will, but people have to like try. Yeah, it's not getting sticky. The activator must have worked. Yeah, it's definitely not enough cloud slime, the activator, if you want. I love this one. Look how cool that is. Okay, I think I'm done. But I'm pretty sure it should be time for some ASMR. Let's try to do one of those things where they bring it down, it looks nice and fluffy. This is my slime. I'm really happy with it, I think. But I think I'm just going to add some more glitter because we need glitter in everything. So I'm going to add some blue. Let's add in that blue. So, okay, let's try. Okay, there we are. And some silver. There we are. Oh no. I think I'm just going to add some gold. Love gold. Gold slime. I really want to like make a gold slime. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Now it's time to mix. Oh, and some red. You can't really forget the red. The red's like the best color. I just don't really like the green. The green's kind of ugly to me. Okay. Whoa, guys. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this actually in the ear type of thing. Like, you know, in the ear. Not on the plate. The plate is not a good idea. Well, it is. It's just, you know, I have this problem where it cannot unstick from the plate. Probably because it's really thick. It's really hard to get off of the plate. And I mean really hard, not just hard. It's okay, so I'm going to like scrape it with my nails. Got it. It's never going to sit down on that place again. Probably because it's really sticky at the moment. You just got to work it. Just see if there's any more. Oh, there's a little bit of activator in the bowl. Happy about that. But yeah, guys, like, look at this. Look at that. That's really nice. Oh. And I'm probably, like, gonna make this in.
What is it? Cardboard?
Huh? Say bye, guys.
Ah, I can't wait. Me. It's just a ball.
So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'm the toad. Hey.
And bye, guys.
That's so.
Reach, run away.
Why?
Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye guys, have you enjoyed?
And then go bye.
Bye.